Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are explore how to design a puzzle photo effect in Photoshop. Open your image, go to the file, open and select the photo you want to turn into a puzzle. Then add puzzle textures, download a puzzle texture PNG PSD transparent pattern. Place it above your photo file, place embedded. Resize align, use the Ctrl plus T free transform to fit the puzzle textures over the whole image. Now change blending mode, set the puzzle texture layer to multiply or overlay so it blend with the photo. Then add layer mask, select the photo layer, click add layer mask, paint with the black brush on mask to hide pieces of puzzle.